Hey guys, it's John again with the Carpet Cleaning Show. Just want to show you, you know, it's kind of easy to build your own truck mount. Okay, grab the engine. All right, get a heat exchanger. Runs into it, heats the water up. Get yourself a tank. Get yourself a blower. Get yourself a what is it? Lovejoy. That's right. Right there to connect it to. Make sure they're even. But got yourself a pump, chemicals. Alright. So it's not hard. This is a new system I just built, just a small one. I got other ones. But I threw this together and I'm gonna crank it up. Well, you gotta make sure the gas is on and all that. So check it out. Alright. She's running. We gotta take her for a test run. But a lot of suction with that. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And have a great day.